Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. In front of me is the Valvoline Restore and Protect automatic transmission fluid, claiming up to 97% deposit removal with active dissolve technology. And then next to that is the AMSOIL ULV ATF fluid that I had left over from the last time I did the transmission fluid on the F-150. If you're looking for something scientific happening here, this is not the video for you. Definitely tune out. One of the things that I've been curious about is how well this Restore and Protect automatic transmission fluid works. I know that in their motor oil line, we've been able to see improvements on the dipstick as well as some of the inside surfaces of the engine. But then when it comes to the transmission, I'm not sure of a better way to visualize what it's capable of. And so what I did was I went on eBay to purchase some of these clutches. This comes from a 1970s Yamaha 250 DT. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're going to cut these clutches into small pieces, put it into those cups, and then soak it in each of these transmission fluids for, let's say, 7 days to see what happens. Again, nothing scientific here. I literally want to see if there's anything that this fluid can do in a static environment. Now, I know folks will be like, oh, you need heat, you need movement, you need mechanical movement and all that stuff in order for it to work, but I don't have any special equipment to simulate those real world environments. So this is the next best thing for me. Feel free to give me a hard time in the comment section, but hey, I'm trying my best here. All right, so if you notice, there are 3 cups. All right, we're gonna do one for the AMSOIL ULV ATF, and then we're gonna do one for the Valvoline Restore and Protect automatic transmission fluid. I think for S and giggles, we're also going to soak it in some of this Valvoline Restore and Protect motor oil. All right, so here we go. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is label the cups here because hands are gonna get dirty from cutting up the clutches. So this first one, let's say AMSOIL VRP ATF VRP motor oil. Okay. All right, with those labeled, what I need to do now is cut the clutches into small pieces so that we can place it in these cups. I don't want to waste a lot of oil here, and I think this is like the most efficient way to go about it. And so what we're gonna do is cut this clutch into smaller pieces, and then I'll put it under a cheap microscope so we can see what it looks like today versus the next time we check it. So I got myself some cutters here. Let's see how we go about this. I should be able to just, yeah, snap it, all right. And then I don't know, we'll go with that for the AMSOIL. And I'm just gonna clip this one off, this little piece off, okay. And then this one's for the Valvoline Restore and Protect automatic transmission fluid. And then this piece will be for the Valvoline Restore and Protect motor oil. Okay, so we got our samples, set these guys aside. Now, going to grab our cheap microscope and then take pictures of what it looks like. I'm just gonna wipe this surface off, make sure everything's clean as possible. Grab the AMSOIL. So we're gonna look at this side. You know, there's 2 sides obviously, but we're gonna look at this side. Zoom in here. Let's All right, we're gonna take this picture. The AMSOIL one's taken. Go ahead and take that picture. Okay, and this is for the Restore and Protect motor oil. All right, AMSOIL, Restore and Protect ATF, Restore and Protect motor oil. All right, let's do the AMSOIL one first. I don't know if you need to shake it, but I'll do it anyways. ULV. Okay. All right, there's our AMSOIL. And then our Valvoline Restore and Protect transmission fluid. Oh, it has like a little cover too. Okay. All right, now the Restore and Protect motor oil. Ooh, spilled just a tiny drop. All right, folks, well, the countdown to 7 days starts now. I don't know, this entire experiment can lead to nothing, but I wanted to do it anyways, because let's just see what it's capable of. And if we are able to observe any improvement in the cleanliness of some of those clutches. All right, well, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. It helps. All right, bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.